Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, uh, today's video, we will have a discussion on a national park, that is Hemis National Park. So, for your kind information, this video will be available mostly and only in English. So, the thing that is our concern, that is amongst our concern, that is Hemis National Park. So, we will delve into some of the details of this national park. I will try to keep the video very short. So, let us have a look at Hemis National Park. So first of all, when we talk about, I have already made 3 videos on national park. So this is the 4th video on national park. So you can have a look. Some videos have been made in Hindi and some have been made in English, and some have been made in English as well as Hindi. So this video will be in English. So Hemis National Park. Okay. So first of all, the thing, when we think about any national park, the first thing that comes to our mind, and it is generally asked in any small exam, is that smaller exam, is that where is this national park located? So first of all, what thing you should tag in is location. So Hemis National Park is located in the Ladakh district of India. So Ladakh district, it is located in Ladakh. So how many states and how many union territories are there in India? So you can mention them. So it is in the Ladakh district in India. So it is a high elevation national park. Always remember, high elevation means it is very high above the sea level. It is very high. So it is approximately 50 kilometer from Leh, one of the capitals of Ladakh, Leh Kargil. So you might have heard about the Pahalgam issue that has been in news, no? So in those areas only this national park is located. So first thing which should come to your mind, or it might be relevant for any exam, is that where is this national park located? So Hemis National Park is a high elevation national park. That means it is located in an altitude or in mountains, in Leh district of Ladakh. Okay, Leh district of Ladakh. So it is 50 kilometers from Leh, one of the capitals of Ladakh, Leh, that is Kargil. So uh, after that, after the introduction to the location, let us delve into the animals that are found in Hemis National Park. So where is this national park located? It is located in Ladakh, in Leh. Okay, now animals found in Hemis. So if you go appear for higher exams, so like state PSC exams, and if you also appear for your civil services exams or UPSC, then they will not directly ask you where is Hemis National Park located. They will mostly ask this type of animals are found in this national park or not. So let us see. So globally it is famous for snow leopards, no? So leopards, you know, no? So a family of Pantherano. So like snow leopards, the leopards that live in snow, so they are famous for snow leopards. So exam, a question might be asked that where is Hemis National Park located, which is located? So it is located in Leh, in Ladakh. And secondly, it is famous for snow leopards. So it is believed to have the highest density of them in any protected area in the world. So highest density is like number of animals living in a particular area. For example, if the number of animals living in a particular area is high, then the density will also be high. So globally, animals found in Hemis National Park, they're globally famous for snow leopards. So it is believed to have the highest density of them in the protected area, in any protected area in the world. So national park is generally a protected area. So now again, coming to location. So what makes Hemis National Park very special? So the thing that makes Hemis National Park very special is that it is the only national park in India that is north of the Himalayas. Can you imagine the Himalayas? No, you know Mount Everest. Mount Everest is called Sagarmatha in Nepal, and Himalayas, Mount Everest is one of the mountains of Himalayas. So always do not get confused. An additional information that I have told you, that Mount Everest is a smaller part of Himalaya. It's very small compared to Himalaya. Himalayas are the longest mountains in the world. Okay, tallest mountains in the world, and Himalayas. So it is the only national park in India that is north of Himalayas. So if you see any national park, for example, Kaziranga National Park, Valmiki National Park, everything is south of Himalayas. No, only because of the location. Because Hemis National Park is located in because Hemis National Park is located in Himalayas, so that is why it is the only national park in India that is north of Himalayas. So if a relevant question in exam comes, where is Hemis National Park, then it is very much additional important for you to say that Hemis National Park is north of Himalayas. So it is the largest notified protected area in the world. Always remember, it is the largest notified protected area and is the largest national park and the second largest contagious protected area after Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. So these are some of the additional informations that makes Hemis National Park a special national park. So now after this let us move to the sanctuaries. That nearby sanctuaries, are there nearby sanctuaries available? So this park is home to a number of species of endangered mammals. Endangered, you might have heard, no, endangered. So vulnerable, endangered, and critically endangered. No, so endangered mammals, so they are at risk of becoming extinct. So the park is home to a number of species of endangered mammals, including snow leopard. So snow leopard, if they are not controlled and because of human activities, there might be huge possibility that in the upcoming years the snow leopard could come to an end. So Hemis National Park in India is a protected area inside the pale Arctic rim. So you can see pale Arctic rim. Always remember this word. So Hemis National Park in India is a protected area inside the pale Arctic rim outside the Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary northeast of Hemis. So if you move to northeast direction of Hemis, then you will find uh, a region that is called pale Arctic rim. So and there you will find a wildlife sanctuary, that is the Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary, which is northeast to Hemis and the proposed So Lama Cold Desert. So Lama Cold Desert, Changthang Wildlife, and Hemis all are in Ladakh. So this is the most important outcome of this slide, which you should always remember. Changthang and So Lama, and it is a cold desert, and Hemis, they are nearby Ladakh. So now let us after this let us move at the locational background of Hemis. So Hemis, so so this park is bounded on the north by the banks of Indus River, and includes the catchment of Markha and Rumbak and parts of Zanskar range. So can you get into the words? So though if you look at the locational background now, then this park is bounded on the north by the banks of Indus River and includes the catchments of Markha and Rumbak and parts of Zanskar range. So Zanskar, you have heard, no, there are various ranges of Himalayas. So so that was about Hemis. So let us revise. First of all, if you look Hemis National Park, so Hemis National Park is a high elevation national park in the Hemis in Leh Ladakh district, approximately 50 kilometers from Leh. Next, if you go, it is famous for snow leopards, as I already told you. So now, like, you can create an image in your brain that snow leopards are the leopards or the group of the Panthera family that is found in the Hemis National Park, and it is believed that they have the highest density of them in any protected area in the world. Now coming to the third point, Location, it is the only national park in India that is north of Himalayas, the largest notified protected area in India, large national park, and is the second largest contagious protected area after Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve and surrounding protected areas. So now let us look at the nearby sanctuaries. If you see the nearby sanctuaries, and it is a revision, the park is home to a number of species of endangered mammals, including snow leopard, Hemis National Park in India. In India, protected area inside pale Arctic ram outside the Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary. So Changthang and Solama and the cold desert, everything is located near Ladakh. That is the crux of this video. Locational video of locational background of Hemis. So conservation area. So the park is bounded by on the north by the Indus River, no. So now recently it has been news because Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, there put India has put an end to the flowing after the Pahalgam issue in Pakistan, no, the river. So it includes the catchment of Markha and Rumbak. So after this video I will ask you few questions. So like first of all, first question for you is that where is Hemis National Park located? So that is your homework. You can note down in a copy, or you can also mention in comment section. And it is like where it is located. Okay, first question. So second question is where is, I am leaving you few questions. Second question is, it is famous for which animal? Hemis National Park is famous for which animal? So and it is believed, third question would be, it has the highest density of which animal in the world? Then after that, there is a biosphere reserve located near Hemis National Park. Can you name the biosphere reserve? Is it Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve? So that is one like question which I have put forward to answer. And so next is that, is there any wildlife sanctuary? What about Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary? Is it located near Hemis? And where is So Lamo Lake? Is it located in Ladakh? So these are some questions which you should be able try to answer. If you can answer in the comment section, then it is well and good. If you cannot answer, then you can take down notes or try to fix it in your brain somehow. So next question is like, name an important river which flows through Hemis. Is it Indus River? So few questions I'm asking you, and it includes the catchment of which basins. So is it Markha and Rumbak, and like in which range it is? Is it Pirpanjal or Janskar range? So I think that will, if you read this much, then you will get a rough idea about Hemis National Park. So this was the episode 4 of Hemis National Park. I hope you might have taken a few views regarding the video. Now next video would be episode 5 of National Parks in India. So I hope you like this video.